Hello everyone, this is Bona from Colorlight. Today, I'll introduce our calibration solution. As we all know, calibration is a crucial step before an LED screen is used. It helps resolve the mismatched brightness and color in the module. Next, I'll introduce our calibration camera, the CCM6000. It is a professional LED screen calibration camera with over 60 megapixels, supporting the calibration of COB, MIP, SMD, and GOB screens. It offers high calibration efficiency, processing approximately 1 cabinet per minute and completing 4K calibration for an entire screen just in 10 minutes. The device is compact, easy to carry, and comes with lifetime free maintenance and software upgrades. We also provide free testing, trials, and training. Feel free to contact us if you need. To address large-scale module calibration challenges, we have introduced the Mica Ultimate LED Single Module Calibration Solution, which consists of two main parts, in-color sorting and production line automated calibration. On the right side, you can see an uncalibrated COB cabinet. We place the module into the in-color sorting device input port. Once the module enters, multiple internal cameras from different angles perform automatic in-color sorting. The entire process takes about 17 seconds and can sort PCB surface in colors. Next, the sorting module is placed in the scanning area of the production line calibration device. After scanning, it is placed onto a fixture where it automatically moves through the system. Once it reaches the capture position, it lights up automatically and undergoes calibration. After calibration, the coefficients are automatically saved to the module and backed up on the cloud platform. The entire process takes only 29 seconds, and the device supports calibration for COB, SMD, and MIP. The calibrated module are then assembled into the cabinet. On the right to showcase the calibration results. With Mica calibration, modules can be freely arranged in any position without color differences.